Hey everybody, this is Melody from NoNamed Gaming. In honor of Unus Annus from Unus Annus, I have a different kind of video where I will be taking on the challenge of doing an entire cosplay from top to bottom by myself. The character I've chosen is Kyoko Kirigiri from Danganronpa. I voice her in a fan dub, and so she's always been a favorite character of mine, so I chose to do her. As you can see, I do have all the materials I need. I have the pattern pieces cut out, and I do have a lot of sewing equipment. I have cosplayed before as Miss Joke from My Hero Academia, as well as Joker from Persona 5. For those characters though, I either A, had a lot of help, or B, I took something like a pair of scrub pants for Miss Joke and I modified it. So this time I will be doing this whole thing by myself with pattern pieces and using skills that I've already kind of built up. As you can see, I have started, I've been planning this cosplay for a while now, and I do need it for April, so I've already started a little bit. What I have here is I have the pattern piece for the skirt all laid out. I did have a little bit of a problem with the pattern where some of the numbers were flipped for the holes I should cut out to mark the skirt. So I kind of went with my gut and went with the numbers it should have been, or the holes that it should have been rather than the numbers. So for this part right here, to make sure the pattern is lining up with the dots I already have drawn on the other side, I took a pin, I put it through the dot on the wrong side of the fabric. I go ahead and thread the pattern through it. And I did this in a couple of spots and adjusted the pattern to make sure it was lining up. And then I held everything down with fabric clips. That way I could go ahead and mark those dots. For Kyoko Kirigiri, I do have to do pleats. So I do have to go through and mark everything where I need to fold the pleats and sew them. I ended up using a silver Sharpie. I found out from trial and error that a white pencil or white chalk was not going to work as well. So I ended up using a Sharpie. I tested it on some scrap fabric and it worked really, really well. So now in this part, I am going through and I'm drawing the lines where I will actually be sewing to make sure I have the pleats the correct width, to make sure they're even all the way around. I have never done anything. I've never made a skirt like this. I have never done a pleat. So I'm a little bit nervous for this, but I am also really excited as well. Then after this, I go ahead and draw the lines down the rest of this side of the fabric, and that gets me all marked up on the skirt, so I'm ready to actually start sewing. That'll actually be my next video. Unus Annus is going to be daily vlogs for the entire month of March, minus the first day because I didn't watch the video till too late. So please go ahead and follow me in my social medias below so you can follow me on my journey through Unus Annus, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!